What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an exciting one because, well, it's an exciting one for me because I love sound effects and I don't know how and why I did not come up with this idea, but the genius Kristen Leanne came up with this brilliant idea making a makeup tutorial out of sound effects. So I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial for you guys, but just using sound effects. So I'll also list all the products that I use down in the description box because obviously I'm not going to be naming every single one of them in the video. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys did, always make sure to give me a big thumbs up. It will help me a lot. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe down below and click on the little bell icon to be notified every single time I upload a video. But enough of me rambling. Let's just get right into this video. Let's go.
Ta-da! Oh yeah!